Hello and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we can discuss how to edit flicker effect on Alight Motion. First, open Alight Motion app and create the new project. And then add the media file. Select and adjust the video. After adjusting, add the blank shape. And fill composition area. First, add the copy background effect. And second, the add effect gradient overlay. And change the colors. Select black and white. And third, add the flicker effect. Then blending opacity. Select lighten, apply screen blend opacity, adjust flicker effect speed and adjust video, and finally export the video. I hope this video will be helping for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials.